Introducing the new Bellini Kitchen Master by Cedarlane Culinary. The Bellini Kitchen Master is an 8-in-1 appliance that can do everything a high-powered blender can do and so much more. You can chop, mix, mince, whip, and blend. What makes the Bellini Kitchen Master groundbreaking is that you can also cook, sauté, and steam with it, allowing you to cook entire meals with just one machine. With the new Bellini Kitchen Master, the machine does all the work for you. You just add your favorite ingredients, adjust the settings, and walk away. The Bellini comes with everything you need to transform your kitchen into the ultimate hands-free cooking experience. You get your own state-of-the-art digital portion kitchen scale, a 2-liter stainless steel bowl, 2 heat-resistant steaming trays, a mixing tool, 1 spatula, 1 cooking basket, a built-in measuring cup, and stainless steel chopping and mixing blades. The Bellini's 800-watt motor makes quick work of even the hardest root vegetables and easily crushes ice for perfect smoothies in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master has a 1,000-watt heating element with 8 precise temperature settings. Whether you're creating a perfect hollandaise sauce or cooking with vegetables while simultaneously steaming your fish, the Bellini Kitchen Master does it all. Changing or removing the blades is so simple and gives you the ability to chop and blend in seconds. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to plug in the time, adjust your speed setting, set any temperature you desire, hit start, and you're ready to go. You can also use the pulse function for quickly crushing ice or shredding hard cheeses. The digital portion kitchen scale is the perfect partner for any kitchen and gives you the control to switch effortlessly between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. What sets the Bellini Kitchen Master apart from lesser food processors is the precision heating component and the fact that it conducts 8 functions all in one machine. It truly gives you the freedom to do something else while the Bellini does all the cooking and stirring for you. Best of all, there is zero cleanup. Just add water and dish soap. Set your Bellini to 100 Celsius and voila! Spotless in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master gives you the control to have a real confidence in your cooking and your kitchen. With over 70 recipes included, all with easy-to-follow instructions, you can attempt those silky soups, velvety custards, and complex sauces with restaurant-quality results every single time. There's never been a better time to experience the world of the Bellini Kitchen Master. Check out some of the Bellini recipe videos to see just how easy it is to create your favorite dishes.
EasyChef te ofrece más de 100 recetas automáticas preinstaladas que puedes consultar alfabéticamente. Si por ejemplo seleccionamos granizado de mango, que es lo que vamos a hacer, veremos los ingredientes de la receta, las instrucciones para su elaboración, tips y consejos para hacer la receta y cómo tenemos las herramientas con las que tenemos que cargar la máquina. Si le damos al botón de play, empezamos con la elaboración de la receta y la máquina nos irá dando las instrucciones. La capacidad máxima de la jarra son 2,5 litros. Y ya lo tenemos, granizado de mango, melón y limón. Y si lo que queremos es salirnos de recetas automáticas y cocinar por libre, elegiremos cocción manual. Dentro de cocción manual tenemos distintas opciones como cocina al vapor, amasar, picar, hervir, etc. También podemos pesar. Seleccionando programas automáticos podremos elegir temperatura, tiempo de cocción y potencia.
Cook anything you want. X-wall diamond pot. Customizable rice taste function.
Like rice.
Choose the taste you like. Preset time function.
Set preset time with time button, then press cook button.
Set ahead of time and eat when ready. Voice navigation.
Cooking is starting.
Built for your convenience. Cuckoo P10.